Hello again from Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach. This is Jeff Cornwell. Today I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2004 Lamborghini Gallardo. This car has roughly 22,000 miles. Clutch was recently done on it. I think less than 700 or 800 miles ago. The car is in very good condition for an 04 Gallardo with some miles. All right, we'll start off here on the front nose of the car. It's really in pretty good condition. It's got a little bit of rock pecking. There's nothing that you're going to see in the video that is going to that you're going to be able to see the pecks. They're so small, but there are some small rock pecks and a couple that have been touched up. Honestly, we'd probably be better off just kind of sanding those back down, but you can see the front lip itself is in good shape. It's not all chewed up. The headlamps, there's no hazing on the headlamp covers. No cracks or chips or stars in the windshield. We'll go down the driver's side here. You can see we're in really, everything's really nice condition-wise. There's no dings or scratches on the wheels. There's no curb spots on this wheel. Now the tires are 2018 date code, but they've had very little miles put on them. So you can see the tread is in a lot of tread left. We go down the driver's side door here. Nothing I can really point out on the door or the lower rocker. No dings or scratches. Looks like I got one little rock peck. Point out, got a small rock peck right there. And a little bit of peppering down through there, which is common. But no dings or significant scratches on the rear wheel. No curb spots. Let's see if we can find that. Yep, again on the rear tires. These are date coded 2018, but there's a lot of tread left on them. Take a look here on the rear bonnet. No dings or scratches. Same with the back end of the car. Even if we get down and look at the diffuser, rear diffuser, it's not chewed up. It's in really good condition. Come around here to the passenger side. No dings or scratches on the rear fender. No curb spots on the wheel. Actually, well, take that back. I got a little bit of a curb spot right here and a little bit right here that I can have taken care of. If we go down the passenger side, no dings or scratches on the door. Let's see, got something down here on the lower rocker. Got a small, actually that's just some road grime on there. Yep, all gone. We look at the side here on the front fender. No dings or scratches. Got a little bit of a chip here on the wheel, but nothing major. Looks like I've got a couple little small spots here that have been touched up on this mirror. Taking a look at the hood, no dings or scratches. Go ahead and do a start up here. See, we got some nice, smooth, even revs, no miss. Get the AC going here. AC is blowing cold. All right, as you can see, there are no warning lights or check engine light. All right, we'll take a quick look here under the engine bay. Nothing really negative to point out here. Everything looks good. Looks like all the side panels are intact. Don't have anything missing. The interior on this Gallardo is in great condition, better than most I've seen with less miles. You can see there's no issues on the dash. There's no significant bolster wear. Steering wheel's in nice shape. Center console's in good shape. There has been an aftermarket stereo system put in here. And you can see it was nicely done. Take a look here at the passenger side. Again, it's in great condition. No significant bolster wear on the seats. I mean, all the carpeting's in really nice condition, especially for being a lighter color. And again, the dashboard you can see is all in great condition. Headliner is in great condition. It's not drooping or sagging. Just, again, this is just a very, very, very nice example.